Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make decals on Roblox mobile. First of all, open browser and go to roblox.com. Now once you're here guys, just tap on this create tab. Now you just need to go to this menu button here and tap on this creation. Now once you're here, just tap on this development item. Here you can see the decals option. Just scroll down and tap on this upload asset. Here you can upload your asset, upload your photo, name, description, and just tap on upload and your decal will be uploaded. Once you upload your decals, if you want to copy the asset id, just tap on this three dot and copy asset id, and your the asset id can be used to import decals in the Roblox studio if you are creating any game. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.